Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings. Today we're diving into PayPal's latest 8K filing. Don't worry, it won't be as painful as trying to split a bill with 20 people using only PayPal. We'll uncover a leadership change, a strategy update, and what it all means for the future of your digital wallet. The main story here is that PayPal is making some big moves to try and stay competitive in the fast-moving world of online payments. We're going to look at a change in leadership roles and some forward-looking statements about where PayPal sees itself heading. Basically, it looks like they want to handle money more efficiently, maybe so we don't have to wait for funds as long when we sell something online. First, let's talk about the leadership shuffle. Jamie Miller, who was the executive vice president and chief financial officer, is getting an expanded role. She's now the chief financial and operating officer, effective February 25, 2025. That's a pretty big promotion. To find out more about her background, experience, and any deals she has with PayPal, we're referred to their proxy statement from April 9, 2024. A proxy statement is basically a document companies use to ask shareholders for their votes on important issues, like electing board members and approving executive compensation. Think of it as a corporate popularity contest. Now, let's move on to what PayPal is telling investors about their future. This part of the filing is labeled Regulation FD Disclosure. Regulation FD is a rule that says companies have to share important information with all investors at the same time. This prevents companies from selectively telling some investors good news before everyone else, giving them an unfair advantage. PayPal reaffirmed its financial goals for 2025 and gave a sneak peek at what they expect by 2027. It's like they're saying, hey investors, we know things have been a little bumpy, but here's our plan to get back on track. To get all the details, they included a press release as Exhibit 99.1. A press release is a written statement that companies send to news outlets to announce something important. It's like their official way of controlling the message. They also held an Investor Day event to broadcast their plans live and make materials available online. Before we dive into the numbers, keep in mind that PayPal's stock trades under the ticker symbol PYPL on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. Now let's get down to brass tacks and talk about some numbers from the press release. The press release mentions that PayPal reaffirms its full year 2025 guidance and provides an outlook by 2027 and for other periods. The main thing that's being reaffirmed here is confidence in the business and the management team, by essentially putting their mouth where their money is, so to speak. Alright, that's the gist of the 8K filing. Jamie Miller's promotion signals a focus on both financial discipline and operational efficiency. The reaffirmation of financial guidance suggests PayPal is trying to reassure investors that it's on the right track and can deliver on its promises. So what does all of this mean for PayPal? Are these moves enough to keep them ahead of the competition? In my opinion, PayPal is facing some serious challenges. The online payment landscape is getting crowded, with companies like Apple, Google, and Stripe all vying for a piece of the pie. And while PayPal still has a huge user base, they need to innovate and adapt to stay relevant. On the one hand, Jamie Miller's expanded role could bring a fresh perspective and help streamline operations. She's clearly seen as a capable leader, and her appointment could signal a renewed focus on profitability and efficiency. On the other hand, reaffirming financial guidance is not exactly the same as exceeding. The company faces significant competition and rapidly changing customer preferences. The risk is that PayPal fails to innovate quickly enough and loses ground to its rivals. Overall, PayPal is at a crossroads. They have the brand recognition and the user base to remain a major player in the online payments world, but they need to execute their strategy flawlessly and adapt to the changing landscape. It's going to be an interesting few years to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate decoding. Let me know in the comments what company filings you would like to have decoded next.